Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that this guy seems to step on. Today we're talking about auditions, and I've got a challenge for you, okay? The challenge is this. I want you to get more work, all right? And in order to do that, we've got to take action, okay? And this challenge is going to be an audition challenge. Your goal this week is to set a number of auditions that you want to complete. Okay? Let's say that, you want to start with 10 auditions this week. All right? Your job is to complete 10 auditions this week. Now, it could be 20, it could be 30, it could be 40, it could be 50. But here's the thing. There's more to the challenge, all right, than just the auditions, right? Because you may be in a position where you can't just audition because you don't have auditions. Like, where do you get them? How are you going to get the auditions? Okay, that could be your challenge. Your challenge is like, Anthony, I want to audition, but I don't know where to go to get them. Or I've got auditions, right? Because I'm on some platforms that are sending them to me. You know what I mean? Is there any tips on how to win those auditions? So let's kind of chat about those two things, okay? So first off, if you're not getting any auditions, I'm going to give you a place that you can go to start auditioning for no money, all right? And then a couple places you can go to start auditioning and pay for that, okay? So the first place, of course, as you know, which I love, is ACX, the Audiobook Creation Exchange. And this is a great place to start. It's free to join. It's free to audition, all right? And there are always plenty of auditions. It is for audiobooks, no other work, but like I said, it's a wonderful place to begin, and especially for people who are time challenged, meaning they've got a lot of other stuff going on. They're maybe working a full-time job, they're taking care of a family, they, have other responsibilities other than just doing voiceover all day long, okay? So that helps because the time of the audition doesn't have to be during the day. It can be, you can do them at nights and things like that. Whereas some of the other websites that we're going to talk about, you can do at night, and of course you can, but a lot of them do come during the day too. And if you don't audition quickly, it can be a challenge. So that's the first place that you want to do. You want to set a goal. I always think about 10 to 12 auditions generates a book contract. Now this can be higher, it can be a little bit lower, but that's basically, the overall years of me doing this that I've seen, okay, on ACX. The next places we're going to talk about is getting auditions on paid sites. So I don't know where the term actually originated from, but, we call them pay-to-play websites. So basically, we are paying a fee, right, to be on a website's roster, like a job posting board, basically. And they, these websites take that money and the money they earn and they promote and try to connect us with, give us opportunities with jobs that are being posted by potential clients. So websites like this are voices.com, Voice123, The Voice Realm, Bodalgo, VO Planet, etc., places like that. And they, post jobs. And those jobs usually, if you are on the website, you see them. They can be, you can set up notifications where they're sent to your email so there's a job audition opportunity. And basically what you do is you submit your audition, and you see if you're either shortlisted, which means they listen to you, or they check a box and say, hey, I'm more interested in this person, or I'm whittling them down, or they hire you. Or they don't even listen to you, or they listen to you and don't shortlist you. There's a couple different, metrics on each different website that you join. But joining one of those websites, you have to pay to be on to get the auditions. You can join those websites for free, but you're not going to get auditions, right? You have to pay to get the audition to participate in the auditions. People can hire you outright without you, being free on the website, but that happens very rarely. So being on those websites, right, you're going to pay and then you're going to audition. Some of those sites do have some, like voices.com also has a fee on top of that of about 20 to 30% that they take on top of I think it's around $500 they charge for the year. That's definitely the most steepest one. However, you're going to get probably the most auditions through that website. Now, Voice 123 is the other one. You could pay a lot of money up front, and then you pretty much can work directly with the client on the back end. Bidalgo, you pay a nominal fee up front, and for, you know what I mean, and then, you know, whatever comes your way, you know, you can audition there. Voice Realm is same, very nominal fee up front, but you have to be kind of accepted on Voice Realm. VO Planet, same kind of way. So, you know, these are places, but you're not going to get as many auditions with Bidalgo, VO Planet as you will with like Voices and Voice 123, just because they're larger. When you're auditioning, I always say, make sure keep your auditions short. You shouldn't be taking more than 10 minutes to audition for each job. I know this is hard for a lot of people, especially starting out, but you want to push yourself to only be under 10 minutes. Try to get 2 or 3 different takes on each one. Make sure they contrast. Don't send 3 takes on one audition and they're the same. Okay? And really try to think about what they're asking you for. And this is where we've talked in the past about script interpretation, and I'm going to leave it at this because I think I've given you some good information for this video without being too heavy-handed, is that your script interpretation, you taking the directions, the words that they've given you, and you're interpreting it in a way that you think it should be read. The goal here is to get better at that, all right? Getting better at you taking what's been said and then you interpreting it through your own directing, because you're directing yourself, and then your delivery. Does the listener, the potential client, are you meeting those needs? You know what I'm saying? Like, are you actually on the same page as them, or you are way off in left field? And if you are, that can be a huge reason why you don't win auditions. The best way to get better at that is to get coaching classes, join a VO's Journey Elite Academy, or wherever. But you want to get some education there, some coaching, so you can get better at script interpretation, script analysis, and then in turn your delivery. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good Monday. We're on Monday. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Check out VO's Journey Elite Academy. We've got a nice special going on over there for you to check us out and join. Have a good Monday. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.